Hey, do you know I received my work permit today? So what is the next process? Now I'm gonna apply my TRV. What is TRV? TRV is basically a temporary resident visa that is simply a stamping on my passport. So I received my work permit, but I didn't got any stamping on my passport as I got on my study permit. So right now I'm gonna show you how you can get that. But if you received your work permit, do watch this video. This will be helpful for you to get your TRV stamping done. So stay tuned. In this video, we are going to learn about TRV application. What is TRV? It's temporary resident visa. So in order to apply for TRV, you have to first go to the Canadian government website. So that is CIC. You have to go to CIC, click on the first link, Immigration and Citizenship. All right. Then scroll down a bit, go to my application. Scroll down a bit, sign in or create IRCC account. Sign in with your GC. So those who don't know about GC key, you have to first watch this video in order to create your GC key account. I have already mentioned the video link in the description. This TRV basically is a stamp on your passport that allows you to travel out of the country. It's look like this. So this is how you have written the visitor over here. You can go multiple times. These are the days. It's an example of someone's TRV over here. All right. So let's start the application. You have to go to the Google. Let's go to Google first. On Google, search CIC. Okay. Go to Immigration and Citizenship. Scroll down a bit. Go to my application. Scroll down a bit again. Sign in or create IRCC account. So I'm already having IRCC account. That's why I got my work permit. So if you don't have, watch that video and make your GCK account from here, register. If you don't have account, go for register. But I already have an account, so I'll go with sign in with GCK. All right. So write your name and your password. Okay. So this is how you can continue. Now this will ask your authenticator code. What is an authenticator code? This is basically a code that authenticator. I already showed you in my previous video. This is an application that you need to see. And the code will be changing after few seconds. So as soon as you get your code, everything has been linked in the description. This is an application you can get in your app store. This is the number I got. Continue. Everything has been shown in my previous video. So do check that out. That's important. Continue, continue, continue. Terms and condition. Yes, I accept it. Security question, whatever it is. Scroll down to come to Canada. Apply to come to Canada here. So go to visitor visa, study or work permit. What would you like to do in Canada? Work. How long you are planning to stay in Canada? More than 6 months. Select the code. I am in India. So I'll select IND. Oh, IND. Whatever your code is. What is your current country? I live in Canada. So I will be in Canada. Canada. Whatever suits you best, answer that. Do your family member who are Canadians? No, my family member are neither Canadian citizen nor permanent resident. Date of birth, you can write any of the date of birth over here. I'm selecting the random one. Click next, moving forward. Are you a lawful permanent resident of US with US citizenship? No, I'm not. If you are a permanent resident of US, you can select yes. Next, moving forward, what is your current immigration status? I'm a worker. This is important. Why? Because I got my work permit, so this should be worker. Next, moving forward, read all of it. It's like if you are lying in any of the situation, just write yes, either no. In my case, I'm subject to removal order of enforcement. I applied to permanent resident and was found eligible. All these things, if you have any kind of suitability, just write yes. In my case, it's completely no. So everything I will go with no. Are you a spouse, common law partner, dependent a person? No, I'm not. Are you a spouse, common law partner of accredited diplomat, consultant officers, official or representative of any other country, another country? No, none of that applies on me. So I'll write no. If anything applies to you, go with yes. Next question. Have you ever been told by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada office that you are approved in principle for permanent resident in Canada? No, because I didn't file any PR, permanent resident form. Have you submitted a permanent resident application? No, I didn't yet. Do you have written job offer letter? I have. I'm doing job, but I won't say it here. So it's no, because if it comes under here, it should be LMIA. That is a different application process. But here, we just don't need that LMIA process to follow. That's why we are going with no as the written job offer. Okay, moving forward. You have a valid employee-specific work permit or are being abused? No, nothing like that. Next. What is your marital status? I am single, never married. What is your province, territory of destination? I live in British Columbia, so that's my status. Moving forward, are you currently or you will be living in Canada with your parent, legal guardian for a period of your stay? No, I won't live with any of them. I live alone. So that's why. So these are my results. So now I'm applying for TRV application. It is how it look like. Create a personal checklist. Click on continue. Now there will be showing some documents. Which of the following describe your situation? I have a work permit. I have an open work permit. Open work permit means you're not fixed to work in certain employ. You can work with any of the employee anywhere in the whole Canada. That is what open work permit called. So this is what open work permit is. Have you had a medical exam performed within last 12 months? No, I haven't got any medical examination. All right. So if you're going to work under in these fields, you need to get your medical examination done. In my case, I'm not working in any of these fields. That's why I'm considering no as a category here. Moving forward, again, the same question. If you are working in any of the health science worker, clinical laboratory worker, patient attendant in nursing or geriatric homes, you should select yes. But in my case, it's no. I'm not working in any of the field right now. Do you want to submit an application for your family member? For now, no, I don't want, because I only want to submit for myself first. Are you giving someone access to your application? No, because I'm myself applying it. I'm the one who is sole responsible for what I fill. So there's a fees applying. Will you be paying your fees? Yes, I'll be paying my application fees. It will cost around $100. Are you able to make a digital copy of it? Yes, I have a digital copy of all the things. Before that, always make your digital copies done. I'll tell you what are the documents again. If you have a MasterCard, debit, Visa card, yes, I have everything. Moving forward, clearly watch all these options, whatever you wrote, because this is really important. If you are messed up with this, you're messed up with your application. So please look at it. So number one, step one, use all user account. Step two, save your application. Step three, upload your documents. So we have done 2 steps. I'll show you what are the documents. Click continue. So the document checklist. Okay. So what you need is Canadian work or study permit. I have Canadian study, I have already work permit. So you can go to upload files and upload your file over here. Okay. Then moving forward, we have passport. Make your passport PDF photocopy. Okay. Fill those documents and then you are ready to pay your fees over here. And this will make your work easy in the next. So this is how this video is all about. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and bye-bye. Take care.